Oh, somebody's not wearing their seatbelt.
What seatbelt?
How unfortunate she doesn't know what is a seatbelt.
Look at the children. They're not wearing the seatbelts.
My kids don't like seatbelts. They can't play, they get grumpy, and they just don't like it.
I would like to know if the police will take her to jail. What do you think?
Well, it's important for everyone to wear a seatbelt because it keeps us safe in case we have an accident. Children should always wear a seatbelt and babies need to be in a car seat.
So stay safe and wear your seatbelts.
Buckle up! Buckle up! Buckle up! Are you wearing a seatbelt?
No, I'm not.
Why are you not wearing your seatbelt?
I forgot to. Do I have to now?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's safe to wear your seatbelt.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, bye. Buckle up, Bahrain. Wearing your seatbelts?
Yeah,
Why do you wear your seatbelt?
it is dangerous for driving. Anytime if accident, something like that.
If you're riding in the car, buckle up. If you're riding in the car, buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up, safe and secure. Yes, I say it one time more. If you're riding in the car, please buckle up. Buckle up. Make sure the mom and dad buckle up. Come on, Mom. Make sure the mom and dad buckle up. Come on, Dad. If you're scared, if it's small, doesn't matter not at all. If you're not at home, and dad buckle up. Buckle up. Riding in a car, please buckle up. Buckle up. If you're riding in a car, please buckle up. Buckle up. Buckle up, safe and secure. Yes, I'll say it one time more. If you're riding in the car, please buckle up.
Okay?
Are you wearing
As
your
a man.
seatbelt? Why? You should wear it because or else you'll die and you will bump your head.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Buckle up, Bahrain.
Yes,
Are you wearing your seatbelt?
always. You never get in the car without putting your seatbelt
Why
on.
are you?
Why? Because if I stand on my brakes on, I'll go through the window. And then what's going to happen?
You will die.
That's it. So you always put your seatbelt on. And if you're still, what chair should you be? Child chair in the back, like that.